Alright, Service Droid back again, and now with a very quick review of stuff I got from Gearbest. And let's start with this one. Yeah, that's a cute little parrot ceramic knife. There you go. And it's pretty good. It's not as sharp as I expected, but it's sharp enough for what it is and for the price. But it looks cute. Looks like a parrot or a bird or one of those. I don't know what they're called. But there is one issue with this. What is this, Gearbest? What is this? Tell me what this is. Let me focus. Let me see if I can focus. Not really. What is this? Check this out. Dude, come on. Really. This could even be dangerous. What the hell is this? And this jiggling has nothing to do with the screw here. Oh, this side. Let me show you. I'm screwing it as hard as I can, but if I do that, it's very hard to close and open. So it has nothing to do with this. It has to do with this yellow piece of plastic. Can I? Yeah. You see? The blade is too thin for the plastic, or the plastic is too big for the blade, and it doesn't stay in there. Same thing up here. Can you see? Yeah. Same thing. Now it's not gonna move because it's jammed, but if I close it, there you go. Yeah, come on, Gearbest. What the hell is this thing? Get it together. Alright, I paid money for it. That wasn't given to me for free. I can probably maybe fix it, but that's not my job. But anyway, it's pretty sharp. Let's test it here. That was a pretty good cut. It's small and handy and well, cute. But this is an issue and I don't like that. But anyway, this from Gearbest, link below, you know what to do. And thanks for watching. Bye.